The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com.
Coach Gino here with Tackle Trading on position size. What does position size mean? Position size is a main term used when determining portfolio allocation and balance. Position size refers to the amount of your portfolio to allocate to each investment position or trade, and position sizing will determine how many positions you can have in your portfolio, and position size should be planned out before the actual trade or portfolio is built. So what is the significance of position sizing? Position sizing is your actual first line of defense on your trade. This means if you do not have an exit strategy, the total amount or the total position size is really what's at risk in your trade or investment. The smaller the position size, the more trades the portfolio can hold. And of course, the opposite is true. The bigger size of the position, less positions in your portfolio. Now, position sizing should be thought out for future layering into positions or adding to them until the size is met. Position size also determines a portfolio's total diversification on how diversified it could be, the balance, whether or not all the positions are balanced at the same size or not, and activity. Because of you have a lot of positions, the portfolio is going to be more active and you're going to have more activity to manage it. An example, let's say you have a $100,000 portfolio and you're trying to determine a 10% or less position size. That means you would have up to $10,000 per position. This would allow about 10 different trades or investments in the portfolio. Or if you had half the size, let's say 5% or less, that'd be up to $5,000 per position. This would allow about 20 different investments in the portfolio. So half the size, but twice as many positions. Position size could be the max loss unless there's an exit strategy or stop loss in place. Now, risk tolerance is the amount of that position size you're willing to risk. Risk tolerance is different than position size. Risk tolerance could be the whole position or a percent of the position or even a percent of the portfolio. But remember, position size would be the max risk tolerance. So there you have it. There is the definition of position size.